ready to embark on an unforgettable adventure as we take you through the heart of our roadshow within Kiambu County. Our clients were Steps Healthcare Training Institute, where the mission is to empower individuals with the knowledge, skills, and compassion needed to excel in the healthcare industry. On this roadshow, we moved around Kiambu County creating awareness about the grand opening of Steps Healthcare Training Institute. The institute is designed to provide comprehensive training program designed to equip students with knowledge, skills, and confidence needed to succeed in today's dynamic healthcare industry. This was a 2-day roadshow which was a total success, having pulled large crowds and engagement with our audiences. As roadshow masters, we have 2 models of engagement, which are equipment hire and agency management. In equipment hire, the client knows exactly what they want and all they need is the equipment. In agency management, we run the whole activation for you and all the client does is to show up for the event. An extra management fee is applicable. In both of these models, commitment is required before commencing the activations. Roadshows are very important because we pull large crowds and get genuine clients for whichever product we are marketing. We provide a DJ, energetic dancers, an MC, and a truck driver, of whom will make the roadshow a success from the start to the end. Roadshows are always fun and engaging because of the entertainment we give and the massive crowds we pull.
Ona sasa Nata Ai Ona jamani Nipe Ai moja mbili Ai dua Adi pili wani mawe Cha Ona sasa Ana It is one of the best marketing strategies because the reach and engagement is always massive and we get genuine clients. Stay tuned as we take you through our activation and you will have a better understanding of what goes on during the road shows.
Come get your education at Steps Healthcare Training Institute, where we have such courses as CNA, Advanced CNA, NCLEX preparation, German language studies,